right, I am going to show you our new gym, which is so exciting, and it just looks so mammoth. And I know Mr. Wise and our students are going to be so excited. This is what will be our new gym. And again, there'll be a stage area. You see they're working on the roof and support beams, which is so exciting. All right, I am standing in what used to be our front entrance to our school previously. Over here, this used to be the office area where Mrs. Yothamit and Mrs. Wasserat would sit, as well as myself and our school nurse. You can see they've extended this, what will be our new office area, out a little bit. You can see the extra several feet there with the brick wall that they've added. And then, wow, look at that structure. That is our new gym. So we are in the hallway of where our new music room will be. And this is basically the same hallway where music and art were before. So you can see that they've created one door for our music room. And as we walk down, there's going to be another door, but they don't have it in yet. But let me show you how nice and big this music room is going to be. Look at all the space that this new music room is going to have. Pretty exciting. Okay, they have put a brick wall in over here, which is going to be one of our front entrance restroom areas. Offhand, I'm not sure if it's going to be the boys or girls restroom, but I'm thinking it was the boys, but don't hold me to that.